Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Shahid. If you are confused about which career to choose in 2025 or you are looking to switch jobs for a better future, then you have clicked on the right video. Because today I'm going to reveal the top 5 high paying career of 2025. These jobs are in demand, future proof, and yes, offer amazing salaries. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone planning a career switch, this video is going to be a super helpful. So make sure you watch till the end, and hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's dive straight into it. First on our list, generative AI specialist. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E are completely changing how businesses work. And behind these tools are experts called generative AI specialists. They build AI models that can create content like text, images, music, even computer code. In India, skilled AI professionals are now earning 15 to 50 lakhs per year. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to get into this career, start learning Python, machine learning, and tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Even free courses are available on YouTube and platforms like Coursera. This field is exploding, and trust me, it's just the beginning. At number 2, we have data analysts. Every business today run on data, but raw data is just numbers. Unless someone can analyze it, that's where data analysts come in. From e-commerce to banking, from healthcare to education, every sector needs people who can turn data into insights. Starting salary around 6 to 8 lakhs per year, with experience 15 to 30 lakhs is very realistic. You will need skill in Excel, SQL, Python, and tools like Power BI or Tableau. Good news, even non-tech people can enter this field. Yes, even if you are from a commerce or arts background, if you love numbers and solving problems, this is a great career to explore in 2025. Coming in at number 3, project manager. Now you might think, is this really a high paying job? Oh, yes, it is, especially in tech companies and startups. Project managers are like team captains. They handle planning, deadlines, budgets, and team coordination. Companies need strong leaders who can manage teams smoothly. If you get certified in Agile, Scrum, or PMP, you will stand out in the job market. Salary, mid-level manager earn 15 to 25 lakhs. Senior manager easily make 40 to 50 lakhs in top companies. So if you are good at organizing, communicating, and leading, this role is definitely worth aiming for. This role is definitely worth aiming for. Number 4th, ever reliable software engineer. Even in 2025, this career is as hot as ever. Why? Because every business is now going digital, apps, website, cloud systems. They need developers to build them. The roles in demand right now are full stack developer, cloud engineer, DevOps, and blockchain developers. The best part, you don't always need a computer science degree. If you can code, you will get hired. Start learning languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java, and explore frameworks like React, Node.js, and Django. Freshers can earn 8 to 12 lakhs in product-based companies. With a few years of experience, 30 to 40 lakhs is achievable. So, if you love coding and building things, this is still one of the best career to choose. And finally, number 5, content creation and content management. Gone are the days when content was just a side hobby. In 2025, it's a full-time, high-paying profession. Think about it. Every brand wants to go digital. That means videos, blogs, social media, podcasts, only content. But it's not just about being a YouTuber or Instagram influencer. You can become a content strategist, a social media manager, SEO expert, copywriter, or even a podcast producer. Good creators and managers are earning 10 to 40 lakhs per year, especially if they work with top brands or agencies. Learn tools like Canva, Adobe Premiere, WordPress, and Google Analytics, and stay up to date with digital trends. If you are creative and love expressing ideas, this could be your dream job. So there you have it, the top 5 high paying career of 2025. Generative AI specialist, data analyst, project manager, software engineer, content creation and content management. These careers are not just about money, they are offer growth, job satisfactions and a secure future. So what are you waiting for? Start learning, upskilling and preparing today. Let me know in the comments which career excites you the most, or are you already working in one of these fields? If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends or anyone planning their career. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.